My great-grandmother who came over was, I believe, a shop owner, like kind of like a convenience store owner. And it's interesting because on that side there's a bit of a history of the women being like the commercial leaders and the ones that are taking care of the house and bringing in the income. And particularly like my great-grandfather, he was a Talmudic scholar, but he did not do anything pragmatic, or so I understand. So I believe part of the reason why they came, I mean, one anecdote that was given was that soldiers would come in and they would just raid it. They would just take the money out of the cash register, and it just got to a point where it just felt oppressive, and it was time to leave. So the story went. The point being that even in the the 20s, they did not find it to be a hospitable place. And my understanding was that my great-grandmother was really she was the one that led the move, and it was not my great-grandfather. And that this relationship continued here in Montreal. My great-grandfather was very much a Talmudic guy. Like the way my father describes it, you could point to a page and he would know what was on the other side of it. So we're talking about at that level. This is what he dedicated his life to. But on the pragmatic side, yeah, this is a very different world. And I presume in the religious communities it continues to operate in this fashion.